guys, so in this video I'm just showing you how I tapered down the back and sides of my hair. I was trying to grow my hair out, I'm not sure to what, but honestly the more hair that I have on my head, it just makes life that much more hectic for me. Like the whole hairstyle takes so much longer, so I like to keep the back and the sides short. That way I'm really only having to work with the top. So I started by picking my hair out, of course, so the clippers can actually cut the hair. So now I'm just cutting the hair down with a number 5 clipper guard. And I started kind of long because I really honestly didn't know how short I wanted to cut my sides to. And actually, when it was all said and done, I used a number 2 on the back and sides of my hair, which leaves a quarter length of hair. So if you're wondering what all that white stuff is, the flaking, that is from product that I have in my hair. I literally did this wash and go the day before, but my hair was like in braids, well, like cornrows, just because I didn't feel like doing my hair. So it was in cornrows for like a week, and I don't like to cut my hair unless it's like in the wash and go style, because I can kind of better see what needs to be trimmed. So like I said, I ultimately ended up cutting my back and sides down to a number 2 clipper guard, which leaves a quarter inch of hair. So here I ended up doing a 1 clipper guard, which I like the edges of my hair tapered in a lot more, like really almost to nothing, because I feel like you get a cleaner like edge up line or a cleaner lineup. And I also don't like that harsh line on the very bottom of my neck. Like I don't like a square or rounded neckline, I just like it faded out, because I think like that's better as far as growth. It's like it gives a neater appearance. So here I'm just kind of like free-handing the haircut. I'm using the clipper to blend in the sides of my hair with the very short part of my hair, because you always want your haircuts to have like a smooth transition. Well, at least I do. For the haircut that I'm going for, I want that smooth transition. There are some haircuts where people like a disconnected look, and that's okay. You know, everyone has their own preferences. So this is the overall shape that I was going for. I am going to go home and redo my wash and go because, as you can see, it's not that defined anymore because I had to comb it and pick through it. So I will show you guys what it looks like after I redo it. And you guys see how clean the lineup is? Like, that's what I love. I love that look. I love for my hair to look super clean. Alright guys, so this was the final look of my haircut after I redid my wash and go. Thank you so much for watching.